What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and the company I will be working with today is Megalook. Here I'm just showing you all the goodies. They sent me some cute little thin lashes, of course an edge control brush, a Megalook elastic headband, a wig cap, and then of course the bag that the hair came in. This is their hair. This is their autumn 13x4 frontal body wave wig. It is in 26 inches and 150 density. This wig did come pre-plucked, but I did pluck it off camera and bleach the knots off camera. As you guys can see inside the cap construction, it does come with 3 combs, an adjustable elastic band, and then of course your handy dandy adjustable straps in the back. Now, throwing the wig right on, I'm just showing you guys what it's looking like right on my head. Like I said, I did go ahead and plug this unit off camera, and this is what it's looking like. Very much scalp. I'm getting all into the autumn fall colors, so I'm living for these. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut straight down the middle with my cuticle scissors, and then going to go in with my eyebrow razor, cutting off the excess lace on both sides. Once we get that cut off, I am going to go in with my adhesive. Sorry, y'all. I'm going to go in with my adhesive after I cut off the excess lace, and then we're going to get ready to lay this baby down. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wait me, bagel.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Next, I'm going to take my Ruby Kiss foundation powder in the shade Honey Beige, and I'm just going to pop that in right on top, just because the lace was looking a little bit ashy or grayish, and we don't want that. So I'm just going to pop this color in just to bring back some vibrance and some color to make it look like scalp. And then we're going to go in with our Ebon or Eben Wonder Lace Spray and do 2 or 3 layers of this spray. I am doing a ball cap method on this video, so I just sprayed the adhesive right on top of the ball cap. Like I said, I did about 2 or 3 layers using the blow dryer in between, and then we're just gonna blow dry this until this is nice and tacky. Once it's tacky enough to my preference, I'm going to go ahead and place this excess lace down and work my way around the perimeter of the hairline, make sure everything is nice and adhered. And then we're going to get into styling.
Listen, wait me, bagel.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Drip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you. Once the lace is ready, as you guys can see, I'm just gently placing it down like so. I am going to go in with my comb and use the front end and the rat tail comb back portion to adhere this lace down. Since I did go ahead and spray some layers on before I place the lace down, I'm just laying everything into place, combing the hair back so it doesn't get stuck into, sorry y'all, the adhesive, and then just combing the lace into the adhesive spray, if that makes any sense. Any excess lace, I'm going to go over with my Ebon Wonder Lace Spray and use the end tail of my rat tail comb and just make sure everything's nice and flat, looking real natural, light scalp. You know, you want to get rid of that line of demarcation for sure. So, as you guys see, I'm just taking my Songbird blow dryer, and then I'm just running my tail end comb of my rat tail comb against the lace, pressing it in while I'm using the blow dryer, just to make sure everything is adhered and, you know, looking like scalp exactly how I want it to. Once that's done, I am going to go ahead and bust down my part. We will be doing a bust down middle part, and I will use my hot comb. Once that's done, we're going to get right into styling and wrap this video up. Don't hesitate when you
this is what the hairline is looking like once we have set everything, made sure we like the preference of our lace, everything like that. Now I'm just going to wrap all that down with my Megalook elastic bands. And y'all, I find these so much helpful, or so much better than the just roll of elastic that I was using, because the roll of elastic was just so much tighter than the elastic band. Now I am just taking my wax stick and I'm just running that all on the front of the hairline and down the part. We are going to get ready to hot comb this. I am going to be using my Conair hot comb, and I have it set on 350 degrees. Here I'm just showing you guys I'm flattening everything out. We want to get all the lumps, humps, and bumps out. Okay, you want this thing flat, looking like your hair by any means necessary. And since I'm doing a no baby hair look, it was not an option for it to not look like my scalp, you feel me? So I just made it do what it do for the most part. Wasn't really trying to do too much. This hair was very, very easy to work with. Hot comb was running right through it. I didn't get no tangles, no snags, no none of that, no shedding. Love, 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 love this hair. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 235, and we're just going to pop that right into the part, define it, make it more nice and neat and more realistic looking. Even though I did a ball cap up underneath, I still like to go in and define my part, especially with pre-colored hair or just any colored wig other than black hair. I feel like it's a need, or you know, like it has to be done when I'm doing my colored hair. I don't know why, but yeah, now I'm just defining the part, making it all nice and neat, blending everything out. You don't want it to look like you just, you know, slap makeup on top of the lace. You want it to look as realistic as you possibly can get it, and that's my end goal. Next, I'm going to take my Tinker razor comb, and I bought this from my local beauty supply store. I will be using the long side of the comb, as you guys seen, and I'm just going down cutting at an angle. I started, I would say, right below my nose for my layers, and you can just pick wherever you want to have your guide for your layers, but I just started, you know, like I said, at the middle of my face or bottom of my nose, and then just layered from there. Using a layering comb is so much easier than, you know, you going in with scissors, or say if you don't know what you're doing and you're trying to layer your hair. This just takes all of the hard-ish out of the way for you. Now, you might have to go in and make some adjustments later on. That's fine. I always do. It's okay. I'd rather cut less and then go back and cut more than you cut too much and then you can't, you know, put it back on there after you cut it. So, as you see, I'm just going through, brushing through the hair, making sure the layers look even on both sides, or try to get them to look as even or as much similar as possible. Now I'm going to take my Babyliss Pro Titanium Straightener, and I did speed this up just for the purpose of the video. And I am just running the straightener through the hair, still pressing it out. I did spray a little bit of heat protectant spray, and I am also using my silk pressing comb that I got from my local beauty supply store. As you guys can see, this hair was pressing out very smoothly. For this to be body wave hair, the wig was, you know, very, very silky smooth, very silky straight. I had no problems getting it bone straight, and I love the way the layers came out looking. Like, I feel like, what's name? I feel like Avril Lavigne, or, you know, Aaliyah, you know, anybody that you know that got big, harsh layers, like, because that's what it was giving me. I loved this wig, and for especially it's finna be fall. Y'all know September just hit. I'm coming hard with the colors, okay? We're gonna have, you know, auburn, autumn, ginger, any color I can think of for the fall. You guys will be seeing it on my channel, okay? Once we get through silk pressing, going to brush through everything, make sure everything looks nice and neat. It is definitely giving. I'm loving, loving, loving it. And now I'm going to pop off that headband, and then we are going to wrap this video up, and that will be the completed look.
This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Drip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you. Cause you know I like it. Taking up a cake for you. Sweet, baby, like it when you bite it. cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wavy bagels.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute piece to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you hit it, cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild.
All right, ladies, so this is the finished look. I'm so in love with this color. Get into it. Again, this is Megalook hair. This is their autumn 13x4 frontal, and it did come in a body wave texture, and we did a silk press. Look at my little layers. I'm so proud of myself, y'all. I'm not a professional at all. I don't do this, you know, as a career. I just like doing my hair. I love trying different things, different looks, just get into it. And this hair is still full of luster, still shiny. Look at all the body. Nothing took away from this hair. 10 out of 10. Here I am feeling myself a little bit, taking pictures on my phone. Y'all already know how a girl get when she get excited. You know, that hair done and she looking real cute. Okay, don't play with me. So, if y'all like this tutorial for the layered look and want to see more looks like this for this fall, winter, please comment something autumn or a leaf, something brown or orange below. Let me know what y'all think. Fill me in. I really care about you guys' opinion. I'd really like to know what you guys think about my tutorials. Is the quality up to par? Am I up to par? You know, just let me know. Up close and personal, y'all already know how I do with my zoom ins. I'm showing you guys that this is definitely giving scalp. No baby hairs needed. I'm trying to stay clear from the baby hairs. You hear me? So this is what it's giving. Very much scalp. Again, this is Megalook hair. I love, love, love this unit. It is their auburn unit, or sorry, auburn or autumn units, and it did come in 26 inches. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you later.